Next up, the quests at the stable. You'll find these at the large barn on your map. Simply heading towards the large barn, you should see a person who you can speak to. They are the hunter. We'll have 3 choices of quests for which we can do all of them. First of all, boar hunt. All you need to do is kill a boar and they'll pay you 100 scrap. Clicking OK, all we need to do now is find and kill a boar. You can do this through any means necessary. Getting rid of a boar, we simply need to return to the barn and hand in our mission. Just keep in mind, if you were close enough, you'll be considered hostile for the time being. Continuing to the next mission, unfortunately you can't redo the same mission. We need to go hunt a deer. For this, we'll be rewarded 100 scrap for killing 3 deer. Quite a bit more difficult. 1, 2, and 3. After dispatching 3 deer, we need to simply return, speak to the hunter, and we can do our final mission, treasure. All we need to do is pay 25 scrap to be given the location of hidden treasure, which is a bit unfortunate, as there goes some of our 200. You'll have 175 scrap left on you, but on your map, you should now find a marked location, Vagabond Treasure. Simply heading towards this location, we should eventually find a box of some kind, and inside it, loot. This is actually pretty much worthwhile, at least in my opinion. 5 pipes, semi-body, 3 tech trash, a laser detector, and 5 scrap. How much will this net you? Well, using a scrapper, we get a full 100 scrap, 10 high qual, and 38 metal. Definitely more than well worth it. In total, taking this simple quest line to 280 scrap, 10 high qual, 38 metal, but unfortunately, that's that. You can't redo any of these missions, sadly. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!